Sit comfortably, relax, and take several deep breaths. Feel your ribcage expand with each breath. Feel the power of your breath push open your chest cavity and feel your back expand, filling your chest with air. Let go of the mind stuff. Release any negative emotions you may be holding in your mind or your body on your exhale. Keep breathing in light and love and breathing out all negativity. When you are relaxed, feel your inner presence as if a quiet, gentle power carefully guides you to your center of balance and calm. Connect to this inner power in a conscious way and feel at one with this power. Integrate the responsibility of your power as you create a vision of a balanced and wholesome way of living in the world and being one with yourself and one with others. See yourself in this vision. Feel that this inner power is soft and quiet. Feel it guiding you carefully, teaching wisdom and truths about yourself and how to engage with others. Notice that power need not be aggressive or forceful in order to succeed at its tasks. It is yours to use to express the love, grace, and goodness of your being. This time, as you breathe in, say yes to yourself, relaxing deeper as you exhale. Now breathe in, saying yes to your life, relaxing deeper on the exhale. Again, breathe in, saying yes to your spiritual forces, relaxing deeper on the exhale. Finally, breathe in again, saying yes to your power. By willing to recognize the power of love within you and as a power that moves through you, feeling it as a unique expression of your divinity. This power is yours to carry out into the world and a clear definition of who you are. It brings healing to the world and allows you to be a beacon for good. Use your power to free yourself from negative emotions and use this power to create a wholesome and happy life.